My feet! Okay, I want to show you something really awesome. Ready? Ah, I got a Polaroid. It's, I can't see if you can see that. 600 film. Polariod. You can see the thing? Probably. Let's see if you can see. Nope, you can't see. Alright, let's open this baby. Ta-da! And then let's open the bottom. Push the little thing on the side. This little thing on the side. You push it. Ta-da! And then you grab the little green flappy thing. Let's see. And then you pull it. And ta-da! Comes out. And then there's like a gap in there. See that? You put it back in there. Well, you put the film in here. In there. And then you just sort of put it back in here. You close it. And ta-da! You take a picture. Like that. I just need the film. But isn't it pretty? Isn't it so pretty? There's this thing too. Let me show you. This thing. A little stick thing right here. That little stick thing. And then look at that. Oh. Oh. And there's this little black and white arrows. And you can move it. Let me see if I can move it. Move this little thing there. That little thing right there. See? Yay! It's awesome. Woo! Woo-hoo. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!